Hi, Mary. I'm going to go through everything I put in this folder just so you can look at it and then you don't have to click through everything later. Just trying to save you some time by doing this. Hopefully it'll be helpful. So anyway, here we go. So I made you this folder that I'm going to share with you. And first I'm going to go to this links page and show you what I have in the links. This is a K through 5 standards checklist that you may have seen at ASTI's when we went to Billy Carlson's thing, and she finished it. So when it comes to you, it'll come as a view only. So just make a copy for yourself. But it's one of those things where you can go in and check off standards, and then it shows the percent and the progress down below. So it's pretty awesome. It's all done. They're all in I will and I can statements. I will statements. And if you just kind of go on the bottom, then you'll get to all the different grade levels. So we're hoping to use this in our school as just, if we get buy-in from everyone, to kind of pass it on with kids. So as they go through, if they haven't completed some of the standards, we'll be able to help them on that. So that's the first link. The second link is a similar thing but it just lays out the standards instead. The technology standards are on the first page of it, and that goes from K through 5. I'm actually probably going to start with my kids with this year and just have them start at kindergarten and make sure they know how to do all these things because I think some do and some don't. And then but otherwise, this is just kind of a list of all the different reading skills and math skills and their grade levels and as they go. So you can kind of see the continuum for each area of reading, the foundational skills, literature, informational, writing, speaking and listening, language and grammar. And then it goes into all the different math skills and all the different math categories. So that's that. And then I just thought that would be helpful for you to start the year. You might want to use it now, you might not, but I wanted to give it to you because she just finished it and we put it out to our staff and I'm pretty stoked about it. And then these next resources are things that I found on that 40-hour teacher week thing. And this one, the sample of lesson plans procedure, it's just nice. I know you have your procedures and stuff, but sometimes at the beginning of the year, it's just nice to have a list in front of you to be like, oh yeah, I'm going to do that and I'm going to do that. And so this is an example for the first week. And then, but also in this file, a thing that relates to it. So once you go to your folder, this document down here, this printable procedures planner, this gives the list in a different way. So it gives it by different types of routine. So I'm pretty sure that these two are related. I'm pretty sure that they took these. I haven't looked at it super closely. But I'm pretty sure they took these ones and then they put it into that doc that I showed you, this one, into like a first, second, third day. So anyway, and they're both editable. So while the doc's editable, this one though, you can edit the bottom. You can put your own procedures in. And then make notes for yourself too, which I thought was kind of cool and helpful. So, then going back to the links, there are two different things on job applications and classroom job descriptions. So the descriptions look like this, and it's kind of nice because there's some of the language already there. You might want to modify it and stuff, but it's nice just to have a starting point. And you might have something like this anyway, but it also categorizes it into ongoing jobs and time-specific jobs. So I thought that was kind of cool. And then she has also on there an application that's and there's different options. So there's this one, and then this is a second option. List your 3 top choices. Put the one you would like best first, and then why would you be good at them? And then option 3, they say which job they're applying for in their experience. And 4, list the top 3 jobs. So there's some, oh cool. And then there's a help wanted sign with different jobs that you can modify. So that's for that. I'm kind of excited about that. I'm trying to put a ton of stuff on my students this year and take it all off me. That's kind of my goal of the year. So I'm going to definitely use that one. And then I think that's all of the links that I found so far. And I might add stuff to that. But this is the folder that I'm going to send that has all this stuff. I already showed you the procedures planner. It has this one. That's the links for you in there. And then I'm going from the bottom up, I think. Yeah. So I think that's how I organize these. So this one's a We Believe posters. These are just cute. I'm going to print them out. I need more decorations and stuff in my class, but I thought they were cute, so I thought I'd pass them along to you. Power in words, learning is beautiful, listening is polite, friendship is kindness, books are open doors, mistakes happen and it's okay. I thought those were cute little sayings. And I need more of that crap around my classroom, so there it is. And then the other things are more, these next things are more pertaining to the first day of school and the first week of school and just different activities you can do with the kids. So, oh, wait, this one's awesome. This is a Classless Generator and it's super nice. Where'd it go? It's super nice because on the first page, you put your master list in here of all the different things. And then you only have to type it once and it goes into this one. And then it goes into contact information and it goes into this one and it goes. So it copies itself into all of these different types of things. Here's one where there's a parent signature thing. Here's one, parent teacher conferences if they've scheduled. So lots of list making things like that you might want throughout the year. A fire drill sheet, how they're going to get to school, how they're going to go back home, all that kind of stuff. Copying good, so you can keep track of that. Student spotlight. List for enter a subject here. List for the season. So it's like ongoing. There's 37 pages. Oh, and then it puts like class list. So it's nice. And then the other cool thing about this is that if you get a new student or you drop a student, cold lunch, hot lunch, did you return something? Have you paid for something? Lunch menu stuff, whatever. There's a ton of stuff in here. Homework, and that's all. But what's so cool is that if a student leaves, you can just take them right off the list and then it'll domino effect to all these sheets. And if you get a new student, same applies. So you'll just add them to the list and then it'll go into all those lists and you can use them when you need it. So that's a super cool resource. And then this one is, I thought these looked great. This is, these are stations. Where did they go? I tried to bring everything up so I could show you everything. Procedure planner. Shoot, this one's not up. Oh, maybe is it this one? Yeah, here it is. Okay. So this one, it just has some really good stations for the first day of school. This PowerPoint. So you just print these out, I think, and then put them around. This is another thing that I haven't taken too. So there's a station where you ask questions for the teacher. There's a station in 1,000,000 words or less. Anything that you feel is important to have us help you have more success this year. So just kind of asking about that. A getting to know you quiz. What's the theme song? What's your theme song? Learning versus familiarity. Your input is requested. So anyway, so there's a get to know you survey. At this station, please complete the survey to the best of your ability. and place your answers in the bin provided. And then there's a little survey. What would they say? So there's a whole bunch of different ones. Something about dreaming, reflecting on group work. And that's that, it looks like. So that looked like a great, first week at some point activity. And then these were cool too. These are these balls, a personality ball that the kids make, and they turn out like this. And on all the different sides, here's the instructions, and then they answer all these favorite questions, and then they make these balls, and it gives pretty good instructions along the way, and then they cut them out, and then they paste them together on those it looks like they fold on the straight edge and then paste all the tabs together. So I thought those looked like a lot of fun. I think that's a really cool activity for our age kid. So that's those. And then the last thing is the stick together. And I told you about these on the phone this morning. And so they gives a word and a question, and then the kids all sit down and they write their answers on Post-it notes, and then they collaborate with this answer, and then here's their check-off list. They have to check off that everyone finished, everyone explained their individual answer, everyone's ideas were included in the best answer. We listened to and respected each other's thoughts, and we double-checked our answer for proper grammar and spelling. So there's one on rules, there's one on friends, student, fun, learning, teacher, math, writing, reading, classroom, bullies, participate, welcome, respect, be the change you want to see in the world. And then there's a blank one, it looks like, too. So those are super cool, too. So that's what they are. I'll shoot you the Google Drive, but now you have a little video to show you everything, so you can pick what you want to use for this week, and hopefully that'll help you with starting out your Monday. I love you, and I'll talk to you later. How out? Good luck. Happy first week. Here we go.